lecture we will discuss solution of linear inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. First, you note that linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with a square plus b square not equal to 0. This is linear equation because variable contains power 1 in two variable x and y, two variable. Linear equation in two variable represents straight line. This represents straight line. There are two specific line, y equal to b, it is horizontal line. For example, in two-dimensional plane, suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. You consider y equal to 2, then it represents horizontal line passing through point 0, 2. This is the line y equal to 2. So it's a horizontal line. Equation of x-axis, it is y equal to 0. Similarly, x equal to a, it represents vertical line. Horizontal line means a line which is perpendicular to y-axis or parallel to. Horizontal means perpendicular to y-axis or parallel to x-axis. It is horizontal line. Horizontal line is always of the form y in general, always it is of the form y equal to b, and we define it perpendicular to y-axis or parallel to x-axis. Similarly, vertical line, its equation is of the form x equal to a. Suppose we consider x equal to 2. This is x-axis, y-axis. Consider the line x equal to 2. So here this is the line, vertical line passing through 0, 2, and this is x equal to 2. So vertical line means a line which is perpendicular to x-axis, or you can consider it as parallel to y-axis. In the case of horizontal line, it is perpendicular to y-axis or parallel to x-axis. Similarly, vertical line, its equation is of the form x equal to a, and it is nothing but line which is perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis, and line which is neither perpendicular nor horizontal is always of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. For example, you consider x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. So you can observe this is linear equation in two variable, x and y are the two variable. Linear equation since power is 1. So now this is linear equation in two variable. It represents straight line. To plot the straight line, two distant points are required, and for simplicity, it is not necessary, but for simplicity we will take points on the axis. For example, if you take any point on the x axis, then its y coordinates will be 0. So we are discussing how to draw the line x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. You take y equal to 0, so x will be minus 6. Put y equal to 0, so x plus 6 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to minus 6. Similarly, if we take x equal to 0, then y will be minus 6. So here this will be, so when we draw the line passing through the point minus 6 comma 0, this is the line. This is 0 comma minus 6 and minus 6 comma 0. So you can observe this is the line x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. You can select any two arbitrary points of the line. Not necessary that always we have to take points on the axis, but for simplicity we will take points on the axis. So this is the method how to draw the line. Now we discuss solution of the linear inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. So question is, solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. First example is x plus y less than 5. Now, two basic principle. If inequality is strict inequality, then there will be a always dotted line. And if inequality is slack inequality, then there will be a continuous line or dark line. So these two basic things you have to remember. If inequality is strict inequality, in the case of strict inequality there will be a dotted line, and in the case of slack inequality there will be a continuous line. Now, to get solution of the inequality x plus y less than 5 graphically, solution, first you remove the inequality and take equality. So when we take equality, x plus y equal to 5. Now you can observe this is linear equation in two variables. So it will represent straight line. For simplicity, as we have discussed, we will take 2 points of the axis x, y. We take y coordinate 0. If you put y equal to 0 in the equation, you will get x equal to 5. X equal to 5. So this is 5 comma 0. Another point, we take point on the x axis. This is point 5 comma 0, it is point on the x-axis. Now we take point on the y-axis. If point lies on the y-axis, its x-coordinate 0, put x-coordinate 0 here, you will get y equal to 5. So line will be passing through 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. Now another thing you remember, that since inequality is strict inequality, so as we have discussed, there will be a dotted line. So now we get solution through graph. Since inequality is strict inequality, so there will be a dotted line. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is line passing through 5 comma 0. Here you can observe 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 are 2 points on the line. So these are the 2 points. So line passing through. Now we have to check. There are two half, whether this half of the plane is the solution, say region 1 or region 2. So to check whether region 1 is the solution or region 2 is the solution, for simplicity we take coordinates of the origin 0 comma 0. If 0 comma 0 satisfy the inequality, then open up plane of the line containing the point 0 comma 0 will represent the solution set. So you have to select point which not lies on the line, and by that specific point you verify the inequality. If point satisfy the inequality, then that half plane of the line, which one containing that point, will represent the solution set. So here we take 0 comma 0, put in the inequality. Our inequality is x plus y less than 5. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 less than 5. This is true. So the open, since 0 comma 0 satisfy the inequality, therefore the open half plane of the line containing point 0 comma 0 represents the solution set. So the open half plane of the line containing point 0 comma 0, this is the point 0 comma 0, containing the point 0 comma 0 represents the solution set. So this is the solution set which contains point 0, 0. So this half of the plane will represent solution set. So step 1, how to get solution graphically? Step 1, remove the inequality, take equality. Linear equation in two variable will represent straight line. You draw the straight line, and to check the solution set, normally we will verify by origin. If origin satisfy the inequality, then open up plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 represents the solution. Otherwise you have to go opposite side of the line. We take next example. Two x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Solution. So first you observe the equation. Number 1, it is slack inequality. So slack inequality, so there will be a dark line. Because of slack inequality, there will be a dark line. Now again, first to solve this linear inequality graphically in two dimensional, step 1, we have to remove the inequality and take equality. So equality will be 2x plus y equal to 6. Now this is linear equation in two variable, so will represent straight line. For simplicity, you have to select two distant points of the line. Normally we will select point on the axis. For better accuracy of the graph, it is advisable you take more than 2 points, normally 3 points, to get better accuracy. Here we take two distant points. Now on the x-axis, y coordinates will be 0. You take y coordinate 0. So we will get 2x equal to 6. So x will be 3. So x3, y coordinate 0. So one point of the line, it will be 3, 0. We can call this point P. Now we take point on the y axis. So x coordinate will be 0. On y axis, any point which lies on the y axis having x coordinate 0, you take x coordinate 0. So in the equation, if we take x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 6. So now we are able to, another point is q 0, 6. So by these two distant points, we are able to draw the straight line. We will select randomly. This is the point Q 0, 6. This is the point P 3, 0. As usual, you can observe, since it is slack inequality, so line is dark line, x-axis, this is y-axis. Now by origin, we take coordinates of the origin 0, 0. Now inequality is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. We put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Let us try to verify whether coordinates of the origin satisfy the inequality or not. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 greater than or equal to 6, which is false. So which is false, that means solution portion not containing the origin, hence the close up of the line. So since origin not satisfying, so this will be the solution set. We have to go opposite side from the origin. This is the line 2x plus y equal to 6. Now we mention which is false, hence the close up plane of the line two x plus y equal to 6 not containing the point 0, 0 is the solution set. As we have denoted, this app which not containing the origin is the solution set. So again, step 1, first by the inequality you have to remove the inequality and take equality. You have to remember, if your inequality is strict inequality, then there will be a dotted line, and if slack inequality, then there will be a dark line. Here we have slack inequality, so it is dark line, 2x plus y equal to 6. Take two distant points of the line. Normally we select point on the point of the axis, but it is not necessary that always we have to select point on the axis. For simplicity, and as we have discussed, for better accuracy of the graph, you can take 3 points to draw the line. Then in the last step, by origin, by the coordinates of the origin, you verify the inequality. In this case, we have origin 0, 0 not satisfying the given inequality, hence the close up, that means upper half of the line 2x plus y equal to 6, this will be the solution set. Hence the close up plane of the line 2x plus y equal to 6, which one? Not containing the point 0, 0 is the solution set. We take next example. Three x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Solution. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So as usual, first thing is we have to remove the inequality and then we have to take equality. So equality will be 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. We note that inequality is slack, so there will be a dark line in the solution set. Now to draw this line 3x plus 4y equal to 12, as usual we will take two distance points. For simplicity we will select points from the axis. If any point which lies on the x-axis, so y coordinate 0, you put y equal to 0. So when we take y equal to 0 in the equation, we will get 3x equal to 12. So x will be 4. So x coordinate 4. So one point of the line will be point P4, 0. Similarly, now we select point from the y-axis. If point of the y-axis, then its x coordinate will be 0. So if we put x coordinate equal to 0 in the equation, we will get 4y equal to 12. Then y will be 3. So 0, 3. So another point of the line q 0, 3. So P4, 0 and q 0, 3. These are two distant points of the line. Now rough sketch of the line. This is x-axis, y-axis. P4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point P4, 0. Now q 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the point q 0, 3. So line passing through points P and Q. So this is the line passing through point P and Q. So this is the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Again we note that inequality is slack inequality, so there will be a dark line or continuous line. Now we take coordinates of the origin 0, 0. Put x equal to 0. We have inequality 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Let us try to verify whether coordinates of the origin satisfy the inequality or not. If coordinates of the origin will satisfy the inequality, then solution portion will contain origin. Otherwise we have to go opposite side. So we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 12, which is true. and therefore hence closed half plane of the line containing the point zero comma 0 containing the point 0 comma 0 is the solution set. So solution set contains the point origin, so close up of the plane of the line containing origin. So this is the solution set. We take next example. So as usual, it is very easy to get solution graphically. Step 1, remove the inequality, take equality. From the inequality you have to take equality. Equality will be linear equation in two variable, so it will represent a straight line. If your inequality is streak inequality, then there will be a dotted line, and if slack inequality, then there will be a dark line. And to draw the line, you take two distant points of the line, and for simplicity we select points of the axis. Next one, y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Solution. We have to get solution of this inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. So as usual, first we remove the inequality. So y plus 8 equal to 2x. This is our equality. Now we have to select two distance points from the axis. Any point which lies on the x-axis, y coordinates will be 0. Y coordinate in the equation you take y 0. 0 plus 8 equal to 2x. So x will be 4. This implies x equal to 4. So x coordinate 4. So one point of the line is point P 4 comma 0. So point P4 comma 0. Now we take point of the y-axis. Any point which lies on the y-axis, then x coordinate will be 0. In the equation we take x coordinate 0, then y plus 8 will be 0. So in that case y will be minus 8. So y is minus 8. So another point of the line is q 0 comma minus 8. So these are the two distance point P4 comma 0 and Q 0 comma minus 8. So if we join these 2 points, then we will get a required line, and since inequality is slack inequality, so there will be a dark line. So x axis, this is y axis, 1.4 comma 0, 1 2 3. So this is the point P 4 comma 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Another point Q 0 comma -8. This is the point Q 0 comma -8 point. Now let us join these 2 points. So this is the line y plus 8 equal to 2x. Now let us verify whether origin 0 comma 0 satisfy the inequality or not. So y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x, put y equal to 0, x equal to 0. So 8 greater than or equal to 0, which is true. So coordinates of the origin 0 comma 0 satisfy the inequality, hence the closed half plane of the line containing origin containing the point 0 comma 0 is the solution set. Hence the closed half plane of the line containing the point zero comma 0 is the solution set. So this is the solution set because containing the origin. So this is the solution set. So again, first you remove the inequality, you get equality from the inequality. So you will get linear equation in 2 variable. Linear equation in 2 variable forms a straight line. For simplicity, we select 2 points. To draw the line, 2 distant points are required. For simplicity, we select points of the axis. For x axis, y coordinate 0. So you take y equal to 0 in the equation. We will get x coordinate point 4. So one point is P4 comma 0. We take x coordinate 0. So we get points of the y axis Q 0 comma -8. Join these 2 points. So we will get line y plus 8 equal to 2x, and inequality is slack inequality. So there is dark line. Now we select point origin, coordinates of the origin. By coordinates of the origin, we try to check the inequality. In this example, 0 comma 0 satisfy the given inequality, Hence, the closed-up plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 is the solution set.